everyone. Welcome back to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 28, and I'm Lily, your host. Today's topic is one we all live every single day. What you usually do after work or school. That sweet moment when the bell rings or the laptop closes and you finally become you again. Ven, my favorite co-host, is here with me. Say hi, Ven.
Hello, listeners all around the world. From beginners to advanced, this episode is for you. We're going to talk slowly, repeat the most useful phrases in bold, laugh a lot, and give you tons of chances to speak out loud. Ready, Lily?
More than ready. Okay, Ven, let's start simple. Tell us your typical evening after work. Walk us through it step by step.
Perfect. So, the second I leave the office, I switch off work mode. That means I turn off notifications, put my phone on Do Not Disturb, and take a deep breath. First useful phrase, switch off work mode. Everyone repeat after me. When I finish work, I switch off work mode. Go ahead, say it loud.
Love it. I do the same. The moment I close my classroom door after teaching, I feel this wave of freedom. Key phrase, after teaching, after school, after work. We use after plus noun or plus ing. Repeat. After teaching, I feel free. Your turn.
Great job. Now, physically, I head home. Sometimes I take the bus, sometimes I walk home if the weather's nice. On the way, I usually listen to music or call my mom. Just a quick, hey, I'm alive call. Phrase, on the way home. Say it. On the way home, I listen to music.
So relatable. I also commute home by subway. While I'm sitting there, I love people watching or I scroll through Instagram for cute dog videos. Guilty pleasure alert. Guilty pleasure. Something you love but maybe shouldn't spend so much time on. Repeat with me and smile. Scrolling through dog videos is my guilty pleasure.
Mine too. Okay, the second I open my apartment door, the first thing I do is kick off my shoes. Literally kick them across the room. Idiom time. Kick off your shoes means relax the moment you get home. Try it. When I get home, I kick off my shoes and feel happy.
Yes, I do the same. Plus, I immediately change into comfy clothes. Sweatpants, oversized hoodie, fluffy socks. Comfy clothes is the official uniform of relaxation. Repeat, I change into comfy clothes and feel amazing.
100%. Next step for me, I make myself a cup of tea or grab a snack. Usually something easy, an apple, some nuts, or leftover cake if I'm lucky. Phrase, grab a quick snack. Say, after work, I grab a quick snack because I'm starving.
Same. My go-to is a piece of dark chocolate and herbal tea. Then I sit on the couch for 5 minutes and just breathe. That short moment is called decompressing. Decompress means let all the stress out slowly. Repeat slowly. I sit down and decompress for 5 minutes.
Perfect word. After decompressing, I usually cook dinner. Nothing fancy on weekdays, maybe pasta with tomato sauce, stir-fried veggies, or eggs and toast. Cooking helps me unwind. Unwind means relax after tension. Everyone together. Cooking helps me unwind.
For me, cooking is sometimes too much energy, so I order takeout or heat up leftovers. Super useful phrase, order takeout. Imagine you're on the phone. Hi, I'd like to order takeout, please. Say the whole sentence.
Nice practice. While the food is coming or cooking, I often tidy up a little, put clothes in the laundry basket, wash 1 or 2 cups. Not full cleaning, just light tidying. It makes the evening feel calmer. Phrase, light tidying. Repeat. I do some light tidying so my place feels nice.
Smart. I'm the opposite. I ignore the mess and put on my favorite playlist. Then I dance in the kitchen like nobody's watching. Phrase, like nobody's watching, do something freely. Say, I dance in the kitchen like nobody's watching.
That's the spirit. After eating, the real relaxation begins. Option 1, I binge watch a series. Right now I'm watching a comedy. Laughing is the best medicine. Binge watch means watch many episodes in a row. Repeat with excitement. On Fridays, I binge watch my favorite show.
Yes, I'm more of a one episode a day person because if I start binging, I suddenly look at the clock and it's 2 a.m. Phrase, lose track of time. Say, when I binge watch, I lose track of time.
Totally happens. Option 2 for me, read a book. I'm reading a light romance novel right now. Pure escapism. Escape reality means forget about real life for a while. Say softly, reading helps me escape reality.
Beautiful. I sometimes journal. I write 3 things I'm grateful for and one funny thing that happened during the day. It takes 5 minutes and makes me sleep better. Phrase, I'm grateful for. Repeat and think of your own. Today, I'm grateful for this podcast.
Aw, love that. Another favorite, call a friend or video chat with family. Just 20 minutes of real talking, no agenda. Key phrase, catch up with someone. Say, after work, I catch up with my best friend.
Exactly. Catching up feels like a warm hug. Sometimes we laugh so hard my cheeks hurt. Phrase, laugh so hard my cheeks hurt. Try it with a giggle.
Interactive moment number 1. Pause the podcast right now and say out loud 3 things you usually do after work or school. For example, after work, I cook dinner, watch YouTube, and read in bed. Go. We'll wait.
Welcome back. Hope you spoke loudly and proudly. Now, let's talk about exercise. Some people hit the gym right after work. Hit the gym equals go work out. Repeat energetically. 3 times a week, I hit the gym to feel strong.
Respect. I prefer gentler stuff. I go for a walk around the neighborhood or do yoga on YouTube. 15 minutes is enough. Phrase, go for a walk. Say, going for a walk clears my mind.
Clears my mind, another golden phrase. When your brain is full of thoughts, a walk helps. Repeat, a walk in the park clears my mind.
Perfect. For students listening, after school you probably have homework. Useful phrases, do homework, review notes, study for a test. But please, please take breaks. Every 25 minutes, stand up, stretch, drink water. Phrase, take a break. Say, I study for 25 minutes and then take a break.
Wise advice. And remember the word burnout. When you study or work too much without resting, you feel empty. Prevent burnout with small breaks. Repeat seriously. Taking breaks prevents burnout.
True story time. Last month I had a crazy work week. Every evening I came home and crashed on the couch. That means fell asleep immediately. Crash equals sleep heavily because you're exhausted. Don't be like past me. Balance is key.
Poor Ben. My funny story. Once after a long day of teaching teenagers, I came home, sat on the sofa to rest my eyes for 5 minutes, and woke up at 10 p.m., still wearing my coat and shoes. Phrase, doze off. Say, I dozed off on the sofa fully dressed.
Classic. Another common thing, scrolling forever. You open TikTok or Instagram just for 5 minutes and suddenly an hour is gone. Phrase, doom scrolling, mindless scrolling, any scrolling without purpose. Let's say together, I try to avoid mindless scrolling after work.
Good intention. Now, weekend evenings are different, but weekdays have their own charm. Friday feeling is the best. The whole weekend is waiting. Phrase, Friday feeling. Say with a happy sigh, Friday after work has the best feeling.
Absolutely. On Fridays, I often meet friends for dinner or go to a cafe. We sit, talk, laugh, and suddenly it's midnight. Phrase, meet up with friends. Repeat, on Fridays, I meet up with friends and forget about time.
Magical. And if you're introverted like me sometimes, staying in is perfect. Stay in equals spend the evening at home. Say proudly, sometimes the best plan is to stay in with pizza and a movie.
Pizza, the universal language. Speaking of food, let's learn ordering phrases. Imagine you call a restaurant. Hi, I'd like to order takeout for delivery, please. 1 large pepperoni pizza and a Coke. Yes, cash on delivery. Thank you. Practice that whole thing out loud. It's super useful.
Done? Great. Now, bedtime routines. I'm a night owl, so I try to wind down properly. Wind down equals slowly get ready for sleep. I dim the lights, drink chamomile tea, read a paper book, no screens. Phrase wind down routine. Say, my wind down routine starts at 10 p.m.
I'm trying to become better at that. My bad habit, stay up late playing mobile games. Phrase, stay up late. But good habit, set an alarm for bedtime. Yes, bedtime alarm. Repeat and laugh. I have a bedtime alarm because I'm secretly 5 years old.
Adorable. Useful idiom, hit the hay, go to bed. Old expression, hay equals bed on farms. Say sleepily. At 11:30, I hit the hay.
Or call it a night. Decide to finish the day. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it a night. Practice both. Time to hit the hay and call it a night.
Perfect. One more interactive pause. Think about tomorrow. What will you do after work or school? Say a full sentence. Tomorrow after work, I will. Speak now.
Welcome back. Let's add some advanced phrases for upper intermediate listeners. Instead of saying, I relax, you can say, I decompress, I recharge my batteries, I blow off steam, I let my hair down, I shake off the day.
Beautiful. Examples. A hot shower helps me shake off the day. Gaming with friends helps me blow off steam. Dancing in my room lets me let my hair down.
Exactly. And emotions, I feel drained means very tired. I feel refreshed means full of energy again. I feel content means peacefully happy. Say, after yoga, I feel refreshed and content.
Lovely. Now, cultural corner. In Spain, many people have siesta, short nap after lunch, so evenings start later. In Japan, some salarymen go to izakaya, pubs with colleagues. In Brazil, friends might grab acai and chat on the beach. Same idea everywhere. We all need to recharge.
So true. Wherever you are, Kazakhstan, Mexico, Korea, Germany, you have your own after-work ritual. Share yours in the comments in English. We read every single one.
Yes, please. Write at least 3 sentences about your routine. We'll feature the best ones next episode.
Time for the big recap, all the stars of today's episode.
Here we go. Repeat each one after us.
After work, after school.
Switch off work mode.
Head home, commute home.
Kick off your shoes.
Change into comfy clothes.
Grab a snack.
Decompress.
Cook dinner, order takeout.
Unwind.
Binge watch.
Lose track of time.
Catch up with friends.
Hit the gym, go for a walk.
Clear my mind.
Do homework, review notes.
Study for a test.
Take a break.
Prevent burnout.
Doze off, crash.
Mindless scrolling.
Meet up with friends.
Stay in.
Wind down routine.
Hit the hay, call it a night.
Recharge my batteries.
Blow off steam.
Let my hair down. Wow, that was a lot. You just learned more than 40 everyday expressions.
Your homework, the fun kind, tonight, tomorrow, every day this week, describe your after-work routine out loud in English. Record a 30-second voice note if you're brave. Send it to yourself or a friend. You'll be amazed how fast you improve.
You are doing incredible work just by listening and repeating. Be proud, be patient, keep smiling.
Thank you for spending your precious after-work time with us. We love you guys.
See you in episode 29. Now go relax. You deserve it.
Bye. Think in English.